What's up, guys? In this video I wanted to talk to you about the different components of building a cob house. There are many components to a cob house or any kind of natural building, and like for myself specifically, I specialize in cob walls and earthen walls. I don't really specialize in the other components of the building like the foundations and the roofing, and a lot of other things. For me, it's more like, well, how do all these pieces integrate? Like if somebody had a contractor for their building project, I would basically come on the team and be the one who builds the earthen walls. I wouldn't really build the whole entire building, but I would know how to integrate each piece. Like, how does the foundation integrate with the walls? How do the windows and doors integrate with the walls? And how does the roof attach to the walls? Things like that. So building a cob house is a lot more than just knowing how to build cob. So obviously there's a foundation. You have to know all the siding work, the pre-foundation, and obviously the cob walls or earthen walls, whatever you're doing. And then as you build up, you got to know how to integrate the windows, doing window sills, lintels, how to install the windows and doors, all that. It's a lot of little details. And then once you finish the cob walls, how to install a bond beam if you're going to do a bond beam, and then how to attach the roof and build the roof. And then after that, there's the flooring, there's the plaster work, the finishing work. So there's a lot of different components, and not to mention there's the utilities, electrical and plumbing. And a lot of this stuff happens is pre-planned before you start the construction project. So yeah, there's a lot of different components a lot of people kind of forget about. But it depends on how you want to do your project. If you're going to be doing everything, keep that in mind. You got to have some skills for every step of the way. Or are you going to bring in specialists for the different aspects of the project? So just wanted to throw that out there in this video, get your mind thinking about that, some realities of building with cob or rammed earth or even straw bale, any kind of natural building material, or any conventional building style. It's all the same. So many components to a building. Are you going to know how to do all the components yourself as a do-it-yourself builder, or are you going to know how to do certain aspects? Or are you going to bring in specialists for everything? And then not to mention the costs involved. So if you don't know how to do all this, you got to bring in specialists. That's going to raise your costs quite significantly. So more to think about. All right, talk to you in the next video.